Welcome to the home meals.
Hello everyone, our recipe for today is mushroom Angus burger. So let's proceed for the ingredients. First we will prepare the filling for the burger. Take a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic to it. Saute it for a few minutes. Then add a cup of sliced onion and mushroom to it and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Mushroom and onion already have water content in it. It releases their own water. Then add a teaspoon of salt to it and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Also a teaspoon of honey. Mix it until it all combine in onion and mushroom. Then add a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. When it comes like this, take it out in a separate bowl and keep it aside. Take 300 grams of full fat minced beef and a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of salt. Make a patty from the beef like so and season it with salt and black pepper on both the sides and press it like so. Now take some oil in the pan and take all the patties like this and add it to the pan one by one. Then press all the patties with the help of a spatula like so. And also make a well from the center of the patty to prevent them puffing up from the center. When it turns like this, flip it over on the other side and cook it on medium to low flame. In the meantime, let's prepare the burger sauce. Take half cup of mayonnaise, add a tablespoon of cream cheese sauce. You can use any kind of cream cheese sauce. Add a teaspoon of hot sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and a teaspoon of honey to it. Mix it until all well combined. So your burger sauce is ready. Keep it aside and check the burger patty. When it turns golden brown, flip it over and cook it again on medium flame. Now toast the bun. Toast all the bun like so and keep it aside. Now check your burger patty. When it turns golden brown, add cheese slices to it. After that, let's assemble the burger. Take the bun, spread the burger sauce on both sides of the buns. Now take the burger patty and put it over the bun. Now top it with some mushroom and onion which we have prepared before. Now add burger sauce to it. And in the end, add ring onion. I'm using the red one, but it is recommended to use white onion, but I don't have the availability of white onion, so I'm using the red one. So now your burger is ready to serve. Enjoy it with ketchup and french fries. I hope you liked today's video. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see the written recipe, please check the link in the description below. And we will catch you in another exciting recipe. Until then, bye.